the moment I'm working on the gas tubes, and they are made of steel. And here you can see from our truma where there is a boiler and the heater. It's going out here, down on this side, and here are the new ones which I will mount now. And yesterday I did the shutters where you can turn on and off each of the different options. Like here it's for the cooking plate, it's for the oven, and this is for the heater and the warm water. And then you can... And here is the gas bottle. We have to work with 30 millibar pressure. Now we will have a look if it fits. The gas tubes I'm cutting with this instrument here. It's very sharp. It's better to do it with this one than with a saw, because you don't get these lips here. And every day it's a little bit step forward, and today I will present you the first part of the kitchen. It looks amazing, even without a wall here. You can imagine how it will look like in the end. Here will be the second part of the kitchen. Toilet, bathroom, shower. Yeah, looks good. Today I'm mounting the first wall, and I have used this tool. You use it here. And then you make the line on the wood, cut it, and it's perfect. Yeah, it's really close to the wall. That's nice. And now I will do all the holes for the different types of tools. Like Botronic shows how much liters are in the tanks. This is for the heaters, this is for the battery plug-ins, 12 volts for the electricity, and so on. So this is the next step, to do it all here. Yeah, the first things are inside. Today I did the second wall. I cut it now. The first one was not really good, so I hope the second one is a bit better. During the last 4 days I had a lot of time because I didn't have to work, so it happened a lot. There are the new walls, which I will mount today here. And wow! Here you can see it's already done for the washing dish for the kitchen. I did the gas installation for the fridge. Here is the first wall. Here will be storage for the food. And also the bathroom is getting more concrete now. Here I did the shower installation for the water. Yeah, it's going on. Today I did the gas installation for the oven. Here it is. It's called Thetford Duplex. It has a grill and a normal oven function. Now I will close it here. The next part will be the plate for the kitchen, and then the gas for cooking. This weekend I did a lot of different works. You can see a really big progress now. It's getting more and more like a real mobile home. The good thing is outside it has about 3 0 degrees Celsius, and I have a gas heater now which is working really nice. I have 20 degrees inside and the insulation is perfect. I've been in the wood store and bought some strong plates for the bed, and now I make a special system where I will be able to move the plates totally, because below there are the different electricity, the heater, the water tanks, and so it should be very easy for me to take it away and to come to the different tools and machines. I have to fix this tube. It's the exhaust tube for the toilet, for the ventilation of the composting toilet. Okay, it's fixed now. Look at that nice bed, man. Woo! Big one, king size. Yeah, and one of the most important places in the Airstream are ready. It's done. Our bed, our bedroom. Oh, perfect. You have a nice view. Yeah, I made 3 holes now here, so I have easy access here to the electricity, 12 volt, and the water pump, the solar chargers. Here I have access to the tanks, and here I have access to the heater. Perfect. It is the same system which I had in our sailboat and in our Halbergrasse, and it's working pretty fine. Yeah, now I finished the plates for the couch where we will sit and have the table. Yes, it's so nice. In the moment I'm working on the sink for the kitchen. I have the problem that it's all very narrow, especially here, the places where the different tools from the sink are coming through. So yeah, it's a bit tricky to work. Yeah, now I'm working on the bed. We got the foam already, and it's really awesome. It's so soft and it's really perfect. And this one I will do now for the seats over there, and this one you can see here. It's for when the table is going inside, we can make a bed here. In the next episode, I will show you how I produce the table for the Airstream, and I'm getting closer to the end, finishing the kitchen and the bathroom. Subscribe to our channel and follow our Airstream renovation adventure during the next month, and see you soon here again on Pinkrambutan.com.